Hey, it's Skillbyte here. Going to do a quick review of this QBA 6-outlet power strip that I got from my Workbench. So it has wide spaced outlets. That's great. Looks are okay. It's metal, kind of plasticky metal. Some of it's metal apparently. It's got a 15 amp circuit. The wires are 16 gauge and only 6 foot long. You don't want your wires too long on a workbench where you're going to actually be pulling current through, because the longer they are, the less current they can handle. But this should work for me. However, ran into a little problem. And I should mention, it comes with rack mount screws, not wall mount or wood mount. But I knew that going in. Here's the problem. It is easy. This is my favorite extension cord. Well, it was. It's easy to push them in. Not so much to get them out. Now it's slightly easier now, but you can see, wait, I'm missing the ground. Yeah, it literally was so tight that the ground wire pulled out of my extension cord. So now I'm going to have to put a new end on it, which I'm not happy about. But they're just really tight. I understand you want them kind of tight, but I shouldn't have to sit there and crank on them to get the plug out. So yeah, be warned. Yeah, I can't recommend it. It will literally eat your plugs. All right, I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment.